Good afternoon, everyone. My character is Jack Sparrow from the Pirate of Caribbean. And Jack Sparrow's favorite line is, the real problem, of your attitude.
Amen.
The problem is your attitude about the problem. Did you get it? My name is Ken Caligardi Yalong from 8 Azalea.
Go looking for trouble. Trouble usually finds me. I am Luis Miguel Di Pagaboro from 8 Dahlia.
You will board my boat, sail across the sea, and restore the heart of the My name is Jovelyn Boroso from 8 Dahlia.
Greetings everyone, my name is Princess Sabrina Garano and I am from 8 Sampaguita. The character I'm portraying is Cinderella. Have courage and be kind. Driving up to live up to one's ideal is an admirable thing, of course, but when those ideals start to show up, it's easy to lose. But when those ideals start to show sign of who you are and where your strength lies. Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Diane S. Taito from 8 Kamya and I'm portraying the character of Lloyd Ferger from Spy X Family.
Boss, Mr. Brandon from the auditing department, I presume. Terribly sorry for the interruption. But tell me, may I have the honor of taking your life this evening? Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Lorraine Angela Mello from 8 Kamya, and I am portraying the character of your portrait. And I take you.
May mga bata ng students pa sila. Okay, so now... I'm Prince Navid from Mongolia, and I love playing guitar, jazz, and of course, dancing. That's all. And I am Christian Josh C. Sabanya from 8 Sampaguita.
afternoon, everyone. We are the representative of Grade 8. Good afternoon, everyone. We are the representative of Grade 8 Lily. I am Madam Bash Kandao and I am representing Prince Alati.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Angela Rose Pilatore, representing Princess Jasmine.
Standing in front of everyone is a Grade 8 representative from Section Lily. I am Kandao and portraying Prince Alati. Without you, I want just Alati.
Princess Jasmine once said, "You should be free to make your own choice." And I
Thank you.
thank you.
Wow, so neat, magical, and undescribable. Now,
Good morning, everyone. I am Alicia Bigueto from 8 Azalea. I am cosplaying Mutao from Genshin Impact. La Zi Zi Bin Lao, Ao Zi Zi Chao, San Zi Zi Jin Lao, Zi Zi Ao.
Magandang umaga sa ating lahat. Kami nga po pala ang representante ng 8 At ako nga po pala si Reggie Apoli Lacuna. Gumaganap bilang si Crostomo.
Ako nga po pala si Princess Macy Vivatay, maganap bilang si Maria Clara.
Naniniwala ako sa kasabihan. Kung ang kabataan ay ang pag-asa ng bayan, ang kabataan ay ang pag-asa ng edukasyon.
At ako po ay naniniwala sa kasabihan, ang pag-ibig sa ating bayan ay katumbas ang pag-ibig sa Diyos kay Allah.